Today, we got big news. DoorDash just announced a partnership with Klarna, bringing buy now, pay later options to food deliveries. What does this mean for us Dashers and for the customers? Stick around as I dive into the details to discuss how this can impact our grind. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything Miles and Money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you're gonna like this. Let's get into it. Klarna has integrated into DoorDash. Customers can now choose to pay in full, split their payments into 4 interest-free installments, or defer payments to later dates. This could be good, but let's go over the news article to break it down a little more.
This is the new DoorDash announcement with Klarna. It's the program I was just telling you guys about. Let's look into this together. DoorDash partners with Klarna to offer U.S. customers even more convenience with flexible payments. Let's continue down. Klarna, the AI-powered payment and commerce network, and DoorDash, as premier local commerce platform, has partnered to offer Klarna flexible range of payment options to DoorDash customers. In the coming months, DoorDash customers will be able to enjoy Klarna seamless range of payment options when purchasing groceries, retail, and even DashPass annual plans on DoorDash.com through the DoorDash app. So it's pretty much straightforward. You'll be able to use the Klarna app to make purchases. Says right here are the options available. One of them is pay in full, allows customers to pay for what they love right away using Klarna seamlessly, which I feel like if you can already pay for your order, you don't need to use this. This is actually not good if you can pay, because what's going to end up happening is you guys are going to be charged fees. There are fees associated with these apps. So even if you have the money, which you shouldn't use Klarna, you get hit with fees. It may not seem like much, but after enough orders, you can see how it can add up. Next, pay in 4 allows customers to pay in 4 equal interest-free payments. Okay, well, the way I feel behind this is if you don't have the money to order food when you need it, maybe you shouldn't order, but to each his own. Pay in 4, it's not bad. No interest. So the only thing is, I don't think you can do multiple orders under this plan. Meaning, once you make one order, say you put an order that's $5 or $20 and you split it in 4, you can't make another payment. You can't make another order through Klarna until you finish pay that last order. So whether you paid in 4, or you paid in full, or you paid later, you can't make another purchase off Klarna until you pay off your first purchase, I think. I think that's how it goes. Let's continue reading. Pay later allows customers to defer payments to more convenient time, such as a date that aligns with their paycheck schedules. Yeah, I mean, I guess this helps folks who may not have the money to purchase food at the time. But I also feel like if you're going to use this, let it be for bigger orders, because using this for smaller orders, I feel like just is not worth it. So I would use this on bigger orders. To continue reading, DoorDash customers in the United States can soon enjoy the added convenience of Klarna seamlessly integrated flexible payment options while shopping from their extensive selection of stores on DoorDash Marketplace. This partnership empowers customers with maximum choice and control over how they pay, from groceries and seasoned big ticket electronics to home improvement supplies, beauty, and even their DashPass annual plan membership. So, I mean, there you have it. It's pretty straightforward. This is just a announcement talking about DoorDash's partnership with Klarna. I feel like this is, I don't know really how to feel about this. If you can't afford to take care of your groceries, I can understand that. If you have kids, you struggling and you need like a quick influx of help, this option may be good. But that's the only good I see behind it. I feel like this can get messy with a lot of low orders, folks. Like, I feel like it can get messy if you're not using this for bigger orders. I'll just say that. Let's get back to it.
Well, there you have it, guys. The article was very straightforward. All the information in there, detailed what the program is about. And like I stated before, I feel like it could be good if you are using it for bigger orders like groceries, when you don't have the money yourself, you can't afford it. But for smaller orders, I feel like it's not necessary. If you don't have the money, just don't use Klarna to order, because you're just going to get hit with a lot of fees and it may not be worth it after that. So guys, thank you for sticking to the end of the video. This is your boy AD. Until next time, peace out.